Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to make a professional CV or resume in Canva. Completely free and super easy. Let's start. First, open the Canva website by going to canva.com. On the Canva homepage, go to the search bar and type CV or resume. You'll see lots of templates. Choose a design you like and click. Customize this template. Now edit your CV. Change the name and contact details. Replace the profile picture with your own photo. Edit your education, skills, and experience. When your CV is ready, click on the Share button at the top right corner. Then click on Download. Now again, click on Download. Your professional CV is ready in just a few minutes. And that's how you can create a CV in Canva easily. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Canva and AI tips. See you in the next video.